Legends of Learning presents the You've Got Rights game. This is a history game that makes learning about the Bill of Rights and civil liberties fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you will be given the facts covering different cases that require further investigation to apply the rule of law to each case. Read the facts for each case, then select the appropriate Bill of Rights that is applicable and decide on a judgment before revealing what the correct answer is. Use the mouse to click to select different rights, decisions, and read more about each of the Bill of Rights and civil liberties. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.